Another thing that I've heard recently on social media is, should we buy the new diapers? So if already have our old or our current diapers, charcoal diapers, should you replace it with the new diapers that are coming out that are just called the Lil Helper cloth diaper? Um no. The short answer is, do not buy the new diapers unnecessarily if you don't need them. Okay, do not buy anything from Lil Helper, or just as a rule, you should not buy anything you don't need. But especially from Lil Helper, I encourage you not to buy anything you do not need, especially if your current diaper setup is working well for you. Do not even bother looking at these new diapers. Okay, they're working for you, fantastic. Tell you the truth, nobody was complaining about our old diapers to begin with. We did this because we like to make sure that we are right there at the cusp of where our product can be. We want to make sure that we are doing everything we can to make our product as good as it can be. But that does not mean that your current diapers or your old diapers are useless or obsolete. We are not Apple, that we come out with an iPhone 12 and tell you this is the best iPhone we've ever made. Yes, this is a better diaper than what you have, but that does not mean that your old diaper, which is working well for you, have zero complaints from it. Why should you unnecessarily buy these diapers, waste your money plus the resources? Our diapers all our products are made with so much love, and I would hate for you to kind of just get rid of something because there's something new. It just, that whole concept of that, oh, there's something new and shiny and exciting, let's buy something new and do not do that. All your old diapers, all your old inserts, if they work well for you, great. Do not change it. Do not, as the CEO, as the owner of Lil Helper, I'm requesting you, do not buy these new diapers or the new inserts if you do not need them. If your current diaper setup is working for you as good as these new diapers are, do not buy them. And this is not some reverse psychology that I'm doing. I'm genuinely telling you not to do it, because the changes are there, but you can still avail of this. If you're very, very curious, you can actually just get, this is the new tank inserts. You can just get the large insert just to see just to give you a little bit of extra benefit from it. If you want that, even not, that is not necessary. This old, just get the large insert, and then you can use it with your old small bamboo or small charcoal insert, and then you'll have almost all the benefits of the new diaper without spending the extra money. Do not spend your money unnecessarily on these things if you don't need to. Okay, so please, this is a request. I will be sad to know if you are unnecessarily buying these, especially if you have good diapers already. So don't buy our diapers or don't buy our inserts if you don't need them. They have changed, they're better. I can assure you of that, but not worth throwing away or selling your old diapers and getting these unnecessarily. If you have a new child, or if you need more diapers, please get these. They're fantastic. You'll love them. But otherwise, please don't. It will make me sad, and you don't want to make Uncle Mo sad. Actually, I don't want to be sad. I will be heartbroken to see somebody selling their diapers and buying these unnecessarily. Please don't. Thanks.